Well, as more people turn up their heaters later on this week, a KCK woman is showing us what's left of her home after she says a space heater tipped over. KCHB 41's Rachel Henderson shares her story and brings us tips from firefighters.
And it's Christmas time and I've done lost everything. I don't know what to do from here.
In this season of giving, Pamela Birdsong is mourning what a fire took.
My life was right here in this house I lost.
Burn marks and ashes now reside where she used to.
This is my front living room.
It's cold and lifeless, unfit for anyone to live in.
This is where the fire started.
The fire happened Monday morning while Pam was at work. She had a friend staying over who put a space heater on to keep a dog warm in the garage. Somehow, the space heater was knocked over and the fire spread quickly. That's when her friend tried to grab a hose to fight it.
My boyfriend could have put that fire out if we had water.
The water was cut off because BPU was repairing a water main break on her street. Crews restored service once the fire department arrived. The fire's gone, and Pam's left with something she doesn't recognize.
This is my home.
It was unpredictable, but preventable.
This time of year, we usually see an influx.
Scott Shoneman with the Kansas City, Kansas Fire Department has safety tips about electric space heaters.
Never leave it running while you're sleeping or while you're not paying attention to it or while it's unattended.
He also recommends plugging directly into an outlet and placing the heater on a level surface. The cause of the fire is still under investigation, but one thing Pam knows for sure is
I don't even know how to start, you know?
She's holding on to what she has.
These are my clothes, are all ruined.
And only asking for what she needs.
Pray for me, pray for my dogs, my friend. I don't know. Anything would help right now.
Rachel Henderson, KSHB 41 News.